Good afternoon, welcome back to the channel, Guan Raw for Wagwan Tours. Let's see what's going on. We are in the gorgeous Playa Pinta, and I'm just going to take a quick beach walk and show you the beautiful delights. Show you that. So we're going to head towards the water. Going to start from down there and take a little walk along this gorgeous little cove. Quite small. As you can see, it's quite packed already. We're really lucky to be here during this time because it was raining yesterday and I think the day before and the day before that. We arrived sort of like midday yesterday. Well, not midday, that was sort of lunchtime too. Here you can see, water is glorious. So there you've got some inflatables. I don't know if that's actually open. Yeah, really nice. And then you've got Kaluna beach bar as well. So yeah, it's like a little wander. Water's always cold for like the first little bit, and then it warms up. It feels so nice on your feet. So this is, again, plays about every part of the island. I'm just going to straighten up the camera a bit because I am not straight. There we go. Perfect. So this part for me is one of my favourites because you've got a lovely little area. We've got all these little bars and restaurants. So if I just spin the camera around, so you've got Sky Bar, oh, there, which is one of my favourites. That means to just sit and chill. And then this would be like the closest beach. You can get all the boats. Over there you've got the pool house. There's just so much going on. You can come down there, go in the water. It's just a really nice part of Tenerife. I'm usually staying like Fañabé, so it's really easy to walk to this part. All the stay in the Americas, Costa Adeje, northern areas. And if you want to be in like the heart of the south, we have got videos on the north as well. It really can be absolutely scorching, or it can be cold. When I say cold, I mean cooler. Not cold by like UK standards. So yeah, I had a really good day today. We've done lots of walking, sun's been out, stopped off in a few places. Kind of really had a proper meal today. We went to a spa and just got some bakery goods. It's kind of like what you'd find in the UK, like Lidl. So yeah, so we're going to go and stop and have some light lunch and then probably have a late dinner. So we've got video into tonight. We did a little bit of filming, but as we only landed, we didn't go crazy. But tonight it all go, and today as it all go. So we've literally already done Del Duke, Fañabé. We're going to head around to Vistas before we do Las Americas. So yeah, we're going to do like pullbacks. So do look out for that on the channel. Again, it's Guan Raw, Wagwan Tours. Please make sure you subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. If you are, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, it really does help the videos. And comment if you want to just comment. Love hearing your feedback, always helps. If you do come to Tenerife, this is not our first time. Before obviously we started YouTube, this is probably one of my favourite destinations to come. I was trying to work out how many times I've actually been to Tenerife, and at this point I have no idea. We're well into sort of, you know, sort of 30 plus at this point. It really is one of our favourite places. It's only about 4 hours on the plane, and the island has so much to offer, I feel, for everyone. And we've been here sort of like 20, 30s, and it really is a family destination. Maybe if you're a little bit younger, the nightlife isn't what it used to be. But there is Veronica's, there is stuff to do if you're away from 1920. So I wouldn't say give it a miss, because again, there's so many excursions, so many beaches, and it really does depend on what you want and what you like. So yeah, I'd definitely give this a recommendation if you have been humming and ahhing. Is Tenerife somewhere worth visiting? Yes, it is. 100%. Even if you only go once, I would definitely put it on your bucket list. I want to see the Canary Islands. This being my favourite, but there are others. It's worthwhile, and like I said, if you are from the UK, it literally is 3.5 hours, 4 hours, depending on the wind direction. So it is not far at all. And depending on the time of year you go, prices vary. You're very lucky because we're so close to North Africa. The weather is good all year round. So we've been here in December, we've been here in January, every month other than August, just because it's ridiculous hot and it's very expensive during that time. Purely, that's the only reason. And where we had the kids, it was just really expensive, so we always came to like July or June with the kids, or September. But yeah, I'd really recommend it. I'm gonna put my shoes back on. Hang on. Right. So I'm now gonna head towards Sky Bar. Like I said, it's over there. Get myself a drink, and then we're gonna carry on. I'm gonna carry on doing some beach walks. Kirk's been doing sort of like the promenades and the bar areas, and just try and get as much covered as we can. Like I said, the weather's not been too bad. I say not too bad, it's been great, but I don't know where the little shoes are actually to wash your feet. I might just have to live with sand in my toes, which seems a bit depressing. First world problems and all that. Right, so I'm going to end this one here because I just wanted to go to the beach area. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like I said, it really does help. And if you already are, thank you so much. Really do appreciate it. Have a great... Sorry, just a quick update. Found the shower to wash my feet, just in case anyone's deeply concerned that I was walking around in flip-flops with sand. I am no longer doing that.